Hi everyone, this is Avinash from Androidpure.com, and today we have with us the Realme 2, which is the second smartphone from Realme. Realme, as you know, is a sub-brand of Oppo, which at the moment got separated and will work as a separate entity. So Realme 2 is the successor of Realme 1, which generated a lot of buzz with affordable pricing and decent hardware. So Realme 2 is basically a toned down variant if you compare the hardware specification of Realme 1 with Realme 2, and it is powered by Snapdragon 450 processor. Realme 2 is basically a 6.2-inch notch display smartphone which comes with HD plus resolution. As you can see at the top of the display, there is a small notch. The phone comes with protection from Corning Gorilla Glass. In terms of operating system, it runs on ColorOS 5.1, which is based on Android 8.1 Oreo. The phone will be available in two variants, that is 3GB with 32GB of ROM. The higher variant comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. It also comes with a dedicated micro SD card slot which supports up to 256GB of expandable memory. This means that you can use two SIM cards along with micro SD card at the same time. In terms of camera, it comes with a dual camera module at the rear, which consists of two camera sensors of 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel cameras, while on the front you get an 8 megapixel snapper for selfies and video calls. The front camera supports AI beautification 2.0, SDR and bokeh mode. Using bokeh mode you can capture portrait shots. How good these portrait shots are, we will be able to tell you when we do the detailed review of the device. The Realme 2 also supports face unlock using the front camera and comes with a fingerprint sensor on the back panel. In terms of battery, it is backed by a battery of 4230 milliampere hour. It also supports dual SIM cards and 4G VoLTE on both slots. In terms of dimension, it is 8.2 mm thick. The phone weighs 168 grams. At the rear you saw a diamond cutting design with a reflecting effect, and a 12-layer nanotech technology is being used on the rear panel. Let's talk about the pricing. The Realme 2 is priced at rupees 8,990 rupees for the 3GB variant with 32GB of storage, while the higher variant of 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage is priced at 10,990 rupees. The phone will be sold exclusively on Flipkart. If you are disappointed with the hardware specification, you need to wait for the Realme 2 Pro smartphone, which is scheduled to be launched at the end of this month, that is September 2018. At the moment we do not have specific date for the Realme 2 Pro launch. We'll update you when we have the exact details, right? So that's it. That was Realme 2 device. Hopefully we'll do a full review of Realme 2. Thank you for watching this. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.